So this is when you first walk in. This is the entryway. And over here we just have a little picture thing. And we have this buzzer to let people in. And this is just what it looks like from me standing right over here to the living area. So when you walk in, when you first walk in, this is what it looks like. You have a bathroom, bedroom in there, living area, and then over here is some closet space, and then right over here is her kitchen. You guys the kitchen first. So when you first walk in, it's really small, but it can manage more than like 2 or 3 people, I feel like, if you're cramming, but 2 people, it should fit pretty comfortably. Right over here, we just have a set of keys, some lotion, and some hand sanitizer. That's for the subway. Over here, we just have pretty standard a microwave. I like that her kitchen is white. I just think it's really clean, and it kind of makes it look a little bit bigger than it is. She has just a stove and an oven. Over here is where she'll prepare food and stuff. She has just her knives, some avocado, banana, toaster, and some more space down here. Over here is just her fridge. Pretty self-explanatory, and of course some more space above the fridge. And what I like is that we have space on the top right there to add whatever we need for storage. On the next side of her kitchen, we have a dishwasher, sink, and some more cabinet space. So this is one of her closets. We're actually not living here for long, so we didn't bring that much stuff from home. So it's just another closet. Going into the living area, this is where we eat, and we have a mirror right there. Pretty good sized table. It can fit up to 5 people, I feel like, comfortably. And I really like the chairs. Now this is the actual living area. We have a TV and it's on a console. We pretty much watch Netflix anytime we can, whatever. Oh. So over here is a pretty large window. She does get some natural light because the building does not completely close off right over here, but she does have some natural light, which is good. And this is the living area. So we just have a basic coffee table, couch to sit on, and over here, this couch actually turns into a pull-out couch, which is really nice. So if people need to stay over, or if you want a roommate, this could turn into their bedroom at night. So I really like how this was set up. I think it's really nice, clean. Next, over here, this is the entryway, and right here is the closet. This is another closet, and this is just filled with our luggage and some stuff. Making our way to the bathroom. Pretty standard, it's just a toilet. It's me. I like how they have the vanity lights up there. Makes it really cute. Shower. We have just the sink area, and I like that there's cabinet space over there, and all 3 of these open to put stuff in. Next is the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. So when you first walk into the bedroom, this is what it looks like. A really good size for her New York apartment. So this is the bed. It's a queen bed. Really pretty. I like the wood detail. This is the closet right here. And we have a nightstand, a lamp, and then we have a desk. That's where we do our work. A bed, and then over here we have another big window. And I don't know why I can't get this to go up, so this is what it looks like. Again, just facing a building and crazy New York with the beeping. And over here we have like a longer mirror so we can see our outfits. And right here we have a closet. And that is just so you guys, that is basically my Upper East Side Manhattan apartment tour. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. If you guys want to know anything else about this apartment, just let me know down below and I will get that up for you guys as soon as possible. If you guys want more tours of New York, of wherever I am, let me know down below and I will definitely get that up for you. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Mwah.